I drove three adults. We're talking about speed control, parking, turning. You as a beginning driver, if this is being pushed out to you, the algorithm is saying you need to learn how to drive. I'm a state certified driving instructor. I teach adults, I teach teens. We're at a college campus. We're going to be driving around making some turns. This is going to be a quick tutorial. So if you're learning how to drive, it's really good that you can learn parking maneuvers in a parking lot, school parking lot, business parking lot. You can drive up and down the aisles. You can learn how to drive if you have a coach who's really comfortable and confident with you, who's going to support you. If you have a coach who screams at you and yells at you, you're not really going to do well. What I find is a lot of people in their late 20s, early 30s are being suggested my content. And if you're new to driving, you're also learning how to drive too. So by me teaching adults and teens, I'm really going to help you manifest a positive spirit. And that is so important. And what I need you to do is just be comfortable and take your time. And then tomorrow is the Labor Day holiday. So whenever we see a stop sign, we want to come up and stop. And what you should be doing is looking left, right, left. We're going to go ahead and make a left turn. Look through your turns. This is why I suggest a lot of you start in parking lots and just take your time. And there's no pressure for you to go out into the road. And this is important that you understand about the intricacies of driving. So we're going to come up and stop. And then we're going to go across the parking lot. And school parking lots are good. And also, let's talk about figure eights. We're going to do figure eights through the light poles. I'm showing you some of the tips and trips and best practices that I do. So we're going through, and I'm going to show you an outside view, and I'm going to show you an inside view. Mom and dad, if you're being suggested this, or coaches, this is a great area to take beginning drivers. Everyone has a different best practice. I like going through parking lots and really manifesting right turns and left turns. You see how smoothly I'm going through, but you need to teach the beginning driver where to look. You can't just put someone in a car and say, drive. It doesn't work like that. And a lot of people have sent a lot of negative comments, and all I do, I delete you, right? So now I'm gonna show you the inside view, okay? So I'm looking where I wanna go, and you see me looking and turning. I also had a video that kind of got some view in the wintertime. I had a young lady do some emergency maneuvers. So you as a beginning driver want to be able to do some emergency maneuvers. And I'm going to go through here. And this is an empty school parking lot. This is an empty college. Any empty parking lot that is public, you can go on and drive as long as you have your learner's permit. If you don't have your learner's permit, you should not, I'll say it again, you should not be out driving. So I'm looking through, driving and turning, and we always want to be a defensive driver. I like this because you really get a chance to see how I'm turning and what I'm doing. And now we're going to go through behind the building. This is a blind corner. So what does this mean? We can't see around the corner. So we want to go slow.